Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing well. So today we will see how you can add your scheduler or cron job you can say to your Bluehost hosting panel. So for that you'll have to come under this admin login area of Bluehost. You will have credential and once you successfully log in you will come here. So if you click on the home, basically post login you will see this. So after that you will have to click on this hosting tab. Then here you will come below and basically your main target you have to come under this. So you will have to open the cpanel. So for this I will have to click here whn. Okay, so I just click on that and it will be automatically log into this manager. Then you will have to come under here on list accounts. Then yes, this is the one. You will have to come here. Okay, so cpanel is the one, so I will have to click here on this. Then here on this page itself you can search for the Cron. Yes, you got this is the button. So you will basically find this under advanced. You don't see directly, you will have to come under advanced, then the Cron jobs. So I will have to click here on the Cron jobs. So here the list of all the available Cron you can see, and you can add your own here. Okay, so setting you can find here per minute for 5 minutes. So basically I will have to set up here the cron of Moodle. So I will prepare every 5 minutes. Okay, so this is just for the common setting. So if you pick this one, this field will be automatically populated based on your selection. If I pick this per minute, you will see it like this. If I pick per 5 minutes, you will see like this. Okay, so let me set it to per uh, 5 minutes. Yeah, that is fine, I guess. And if you have to modify this, you can also modify it. Like in case you are every 10 minutes, you will have to make it 10, 5 to 10. But let it be by default, whatever is coming, that is 5, because I just need this one. Okay, so this is command we will have to put that will be executed. So the command you can copy and paste. Okay, so like this you can copy and paste, and here you can say it's a space. And before moving ahead, we'll have to come under your file manager to see what is the exact directory currently you need to set up. Okay, so I will come here under file manager, and this is my exact path. You can also see the path from here. So if I log in, so basically we'll have to get the path, so I'm going through that step. It should be admin directory, then CLI, then here Cron. Okay, so this path will go here. Got it? So this will be the path like this, CLI. Then this is a cron.php. Got it? So add new cron. Like this. Yes. Because my login has expired, I again have to click here on login. Okay, so again I will open the cron jobs. Then here I will be picking this every 5 minutes, and then this is the command. This is the command. Let's see what it says. Add cron. Yeah, successfully added. Yes, you can check once here. Since this is a PHP file, you'll have to put like this because this will be a command. It is not the path or something. You'll have to put the command there. Got it? So again, I will come here and edit, and this will be my command to execute the PHP file because this is a PHP file. And again, I will have to decline. Now you can see this is your cron job is set up, and that will be executed in every 5 minutes. Now, how you can test that? You can open this file cron.php under CLI, and you can put some code here. Okay, like sending mail, you can put code, send mail code in PHP. It's a simple one line code, so I'll be using this. Okay, and here I'll be adding my email ID. That is this. I'll be add here uh, test cron, and this is message test successfully. So you can pass any message here because this is just testing for me. So I just put this and I will upload this file here. Now yes, it is uploaded. Let's see. So if I refresh, I got here on the updated one. That means my file is updated here. So now coming to see whether I am getting that particular mail in 5 minutes or not. Okay. So again I will have to wait here for 5 minutes. If I refresh this, so this is the PHP file. That's why this is coming. You can also test here where your exact PHP directory is adding here. PHP command example user local bin PHP. Okay. So user. Let me see. Let me check again. This should be the path. User general example, but here the user local bin is domain specific example. In the first example, replace this with the PHP version assigned to the domain. Okay, so in my case, I have to add this one. Okay, and before that, I will have to check for the PHP version. Which version currently I am using. Okay, so PHP double nine is a version. So under user, we'll have local. Yes. Under this, we'll have bin. Yes. Then we'll have PHP. Okay, you can see lots of PHP version here. So similar way, like it is using this, we'll have to put your PHP version. Okay, so which one is my the current one for that particular project? I will have to check from here. So I can come here and check on the site, site administration, then the server, then the environment. I can see my PHP version, that is 8.4 is required and running 8.0. Yes. So this will be my exact version. Yes, so now my path should be this to execute this particular cron job. So yes, I will be using this. Got it? So edit line. So now this is the correct setup. Okay, so if I just set up 2020 cron successfully executed, that was also the correct one. So 3 minutes ago I received a message, so even that was also the correct one. Okay, why? Because that will be taking automatically, PHP version automatically taking, because I just set up 5 minutes back and got this test mail. Let's see, now I have changed this to, because this was the one in general case. Okay, so I have used this earlier, now I have changed this to this. Okay, so there is no need to change because that is already working. But in case this will not be working, we'll have to move ahead with this particular your PHP version. Got it? So again I will edit back to the actually what working in my case. I don't want to take any risk, and I also just suggest not to take you. Got it? So here I am going to edit this, and yes, so this will be my PHP command line. And yes, this is working, and I had quoted this one. Okay, so now I can also receive the second email here. Okay, so 5 minutes ago, now I got just this time. So I will again wait for another, because I have now changed this again back to this one. So again I will wait for another 5 minutes to see whether I am getting the third email or not. So once you are done with the verification, you can remove this particular code from here. Okay, so I am just going to add here in description new. I'm going to upload this file, so that for the next mail I will receive the changed description of this mail body. Got it? So now the cron job for this particular website has been enabled. So this is not a website, it's a Moodle LMS. So same way we can execute anything, like in case you have to execute any file, it's just a Moodle cron. It's not just around, because you have the cron, you can execute any file, like any PHP file, any particular PHP file you can execute like this. So this is not the only way. This is the first way, and another way is this. We'll have to put here the path of your PHP currently version you are using. So this was the current version I was using, so that this may be the path. Got it? So now let me recap everything again. So first thing, we will be here after post login to Bluehost. We will come here on the home page. Then we will have to come under hostings. Then you will go to this WHM manager. Then the next step will be, you'll have to come here under list accounts. So if you are coming here, that means you'll have the multiple domains. You will see the list of domain, and domain specific cpanel you will see. So this is my domain, and I will click on this logo to open this particular cpanel. So this cpanel will be associated only with this particular site. Now here you will have to search for the cron jobs. Yes. Now here you can add, you can add or modify. In case you have the PHP thing, you will be using like this. Got it? So this is how you can set up Moodle cron job in Bluehost. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. Okay. Now coming to this, how you will get the path. So this remains the same across the vendor. In case you are using any other tool like any hosting platform, you can also use the similar way. But you will have to make sure this is the path of your Moodle code directory. Then this is the path of your cron job. CLI means command line. Got it? So there is you will also see some difficulty. So it is better you can ensure by checking using the concept like this I use. Okay. So I will again, I can again see the 4 minutes. uh, I will have to 1 more minute here. Got it? And the path you can go, you will have to go into your hosting, then you will have to go into your Moodle code directory. Then after Moodle code directory, you will have to come here, admin CLI cron job. This is exact file. Basically, we have to execute it from your Moodle code. Got it? And yes, this is the time you can set, like every 5 minutes executed. In case you want to every 2 minutes, you will have to make it two. In case you want to every hour, but yes, it is ideally recommended to have it in every 5 minutes. So let's see what Google say. What is the ideal time for Moodle cron job to run? Let's see. So the Moodle cron job frequency. The recommended frequency is the maximum the unique cron job allow once every minute. Okay. So what it say? It say once every minute. The Moodle say once every minute. Okay. It is recommended to every minute. Now I am going back here and I just want each minute I want to make it 2 minutes. Okay, so I will edit line. Now I can receive the email every 2 minutes. Okay, yes, I have received the new email. So this was the new one that appeared because this was the updated one. Got it? So this is how you can set up your cron job inside your Bluehost. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you will have learned something and will be applying whenever required. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.